What's up guys, spring is out, it's getting warmer finally, April 4th over here. So I'm sure a lot of you pulling out their pressure washer and washing off their decks or driveways, whatever. But anyway, so I'm gonna pressure wash my deck as well. It needs it, it's really dirty. So I got this attachment for my pressure washer. It's supposed to be make it a lot easier to pressure wash any surface, any ground surface like asphalt, driveway. So let's see how it works. Let's open it up and hopefully it does work really well and makes my job a lot easier. Boom, it's all in one piece, so very easily. Check this out. And right here there's a tip that looks like adjustable. You can put different ones, and on this side as well, and it's going to spray and spin, so that way at once 15-inch I think it's going to clean off. You don't have to go a little bit by little with one little tip. It all spins and cleans it really well. Well, that's what they advertise. Hopefully it actually works. So it's going to be also a little comparison. I'm going to show you how you would usually use this little tip and how long it takes with this one to pressure wash anything, and then with that attachment, and see which one is better. But of course, let's start it up. Okay, let's see what happens with the regular. And this is what happens. You got here inconsistent pattern right here, and some pieces right here, this first two is a lot brighter than these two because I pressure wash it a little better than this side, because you gotta just keep swinging back and forth and it's just inconsistent, and then you get this zebra stuff and then you miss a little pieces like this and you gotta go back over them. So this is what not good about it. Or these ones, when I put it a little bit too close to it, you see how this little line right here, way too clean compared to the other stuff. Next, what we're gonna do is try to do it with this attachment, and I bet it's even going to be a lot faster than keep swinging it back and forth. You can actually roll it on it, so you don't even have to hold it. My hand is a little bit sore because there's so much pressure, you actually have to control it and back and forth. I bet it would give me arthritis if I have to do it for a long time. I bet this one is even easier too. Very easy to attach. All you have to do is just plug it in like this. That's it. Okay, they got started. And look at this porch difference. Dirty, clean. Wow. It was pretty easy too with this little thing. Just go back and forth. You cannot go too fast. If you go medium speed and go 2 times on one spot with this little round like this, like 1, and then go back on the same spot, it's going to make a really good result. And this is without any cleaner, is without any chemicals. Usually you want to put a bunch of chemicals in, let it sit, and then you use this thing. I just wanted to see how it's going to do without any chemicals, and it looks amazing. So far it's a huge thumbs up for me. I love it. This is a great result. Definitely a lot easier than just going back and forth spinning it like this, and it's so powerful it just wanna fly. So you still have to control a little bit so that way it doesn't fly up, so your hands still getting tired, just like the other way. But it is so much fun, I can't believe it. It's very, very satisfying work, that's for sure, unless you have to do this every day. So I wouldn't want to do that, but if you have to clean off your own porch, I love it. It's so much fun. Okay, let's get it done, all that porch, and see before and after. Well, it's not perfect, but look at the difference. Before, especially the wet, that's what you want to compare, and after. Big difference, huh? This one looks super gray and old, and this one looks like brand new. That's what you just have to do sometimes to your ugly porch. Look at that ugliness, looks so old. Boom, brand new. Usually you want to use chemicals, let it soak, spray it all together, or even run chemicals through the pressure washer, so that way you're really soaking everything up and getting all the dirt out easily. But I just want to do a quick test without any chemicals, how well it does, and it does great. It's amazing. But yeah, overall, huge thumbs up for this attachment. Honestly, I'm going to use it from now on for all this porch. Every couple years I have to blow it off and clean it up, no problem. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. By the way, it's not a sponsor, but if anybody wondering what I use for my pressure washer, I'm pretty happy with this. Had it for a couple of years. Starts right up.